Hey guys, what's going on? Smart Tech Tom here. Today I want to talk about the BAXIA Technology outdoor solar lights. I purchased the 4-pack over the holidays and I've been using them around my house for the last couple of weeks. Let's dive into the details. First of all, I appreciate the sleek design of these lights. They are compact and unobtrusive and they blend well with outdoor spaces. And the build quality is solid and durable, which is essential for outdoor use. The material used seems weather resistant. It gives me the confidence that I'll be able to withstand the elements. Installing these lights was a breeze. They came with the necessary hardware and I had them set up within minutes. No wiring is required, making it a hassle-free process. I appreciate that the package includes clear instructions, making it accessible for those who may not be experienced with outdoor lighting installations. Now, let's take a look at the performance. These lights provide a bright and focused illumination of 400 lumens. I find that to be sufficient for lighting up the porch, the backyard, or the back gate. The motion sensor is quite responsive, triggering the lights promptly when movement is detected. It adds a layer of security and convenience to my outdoor areas, especially during the night. One of the outstanding features is its solar capability. The lights charge during the day and they're automatically turned on at night. I can appreciate the energy efficiency and I don't have to worry about changing batteries. The solar panel seems effective, even on cloudy days, providing a reliable source of power. As for battery life, I was pleasantly surprised. The lights have consistently stayed illuminated throughout the night, even on overcast days. The efficiency of the battery management system is commendable. So in conclusion, the BAXIA Technologies outdoor solar lights have been a great addition to my home and yard. Provides great security. They offer a perfect blend of design, functionality, and energy efficiency. If you're in the market for reliable and easy to install outdoor lights, I recommend you giving these a try. They certainly exceeded my expectations. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review of the BAXIA Technology outdoor solar lights. If you have any other specific questions or comments, please leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like by hitting that thumbs up down below. Please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and that way you're updated every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.